Okay, so the number one thing that you need to do when you start to invest is understand what your asset allocation is. And so many people do not understand what the word asset allocation is. That's the number one thing that you need to understand is what is your asset allocation? And basically what that means is how are you going to allocate the money that you are contributing into your TFSAs or RSPs or RESPs, however, what investment vehicles you're using, how are you allocating that money? So are you investing it in equity funds? Are you investing it in bonds? Are you investing your portfolio in real estate? Are you buying commodities? Are you buying currency? Are you buying crypto? These are different assets that you can hold in your portfolio. So what I don't want you to do is just pick one individual asset and put all of your money into that. And what I mean by that basically is like, don't put all of your portfolio money into like one US stock, right? Because that is obviously very risky. When you start to invest, you want to have a diversified asset allocation. So what that means is having some money in the US economy, some money in the Canadian economy, some money in international economy. So like your Germanys and your Australias and your New Zealands and your Frances and that kind of stuff. Then you want to have emerging markets. So these are countries in the world that obviously have, emerging economies. And then depending on your risk tolerance, you may want some fixed income securities in your portfolio as well. Just don't put all of your eggs into one basket, right? Don't put 100% of your portfolio into crypto because that is really risky. Don't put 100% of your portfolio into like one Canadian bank stock because that is incredibly risky. So there's a really healthy and diversified way to invest in Canada. And it's by figuring out what your asset allocation should be, and then building a portfolio surrounding that asset allocation. The next post I'm going to do is all about how to actually build a portfolio and the difference between, an aggressive versus conservative portfolio, what that looks like. So stay tuned and follow along. Okay, thanks, bye.